The green-eyed monster. What if jealousy vanished? Imagine a world without jealousy. No more possessive glances, no more anxious thoughts about your partner's interactions with others. Sounds idyllic, right? But what would the true cost be? Jealousy, that uncomfortable cocktail of fear, anger, and insecurity, is often seen as a relationship killer. But evolutionary psychology suggests it serves a purpose. It's a protective mechanism designed to safeguard our bonds and ensure the survival of our genes. Think about it. In our ancestral past, a partner's infidelity could have devastating consequences. Loss of resources, social standing, and even the future of your offspring were at stake. Jealousy, therefore, became a powerful motivator to protect what was ours. But what if we could simply switch it off? What if we could cultivate a level of security so profound that jealousy became obsolete? Would relationships become utopian havens of trust and freedom? Perhaps, but consider the potential downsides. Could the absence of jealousy lead to complacency? Would we become less invested in nurturing our relationships, taking our partners for granted? Jealousy, in its rawest form, exposes our vulnerabilities. It reveals our deepest fears and insecurities, and while it can be destructive, it can also be a catalyst for growth. By confronting our jealousy, we can learn to understand our own needs and insecurities better. We can communicate more effectively with our partners, building stronger, more resilient bonds. The desire to possess someone, to control their affections, is often at the heart of jealousy. But true love, arguably, is about freedom, not ownership. It's about supporting your partner's growth, even if that means letting go. Eliminating jealousy might seem like a shortcut to relationship bliss, but it could also rob us of the opportunity to learn about ourselves and our partners on a deeper level. It might diminish the very passion we seek to protect. Could a world without jealousy also be a world without passion? Could the absence of that fiery emotion lead to a kind of emotional apathy? Would relationships become sterile and predictable? These are difficult questions with no easy answers. Perhaps the key isn't to eliminate jealousy entirely, but to learn to manage it constructively. To use it as a signal, a reminder to nurture our relationships and address our own insecurities. So, what do you think? Is a world without jealousy a desirable utopia or a recipe for emotional stagnation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's explore this complex emotion together. And if you're struggling with jealousy in your own relationships, remember that you're not alone. Take the time to understand your triggers, communicate openly with your partner, and seek professional help if needed. Subscribe for more thought-provoking content, and let's continue this journey of self-discovery together.